Good morning. I am Jeff from JT's Landscaping. I haven't put a video out on this for a while. It's been winter time and it's kind of yucky outside. It's chilly and it's a Saturday morning. It's chilly again, but it's never too late. You always got to maintain your riding lawnmowers and things like that, because the mice get into them. They build mice nests in them. And you want to be careful and clean them up, because sometimes that could start a fire. You don't know, but you just want to be sure you maintain your lawnmowers and your chainsaws. Homeowners can do it. You don't have to go and bring it to a small engine repair guy. Most of the ones, it's a simple job. A lot of them you can do it yourself, like sharpening up the blade. But always make sure you disconnect the battery, because accidents do happen. When I sharpen my chainsaw blades up, my chains, I always pull the spark plug. You never know. After the video, please give me some thumbs up. Please leave some comments. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit the notification bell and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Again, I am Jeff from JT's Landscaping. Let's get cleaning up this lawnmower here, because I got a mice nest in it. Relax, enjoy. Okay, this is the lawnmower I'm working on. It's a DLT 3000. It's a Craftsman. It's a real nice lawnmower. I'll probably sharpen the blades up after. What I'm going to do today is, as I said, see the mice, they build nests in here. Right here, it's all clogged up. The first thing I did was disconnect. You don't have to do both terminals. I did both because I just bought the brand new battery. So to get this all cleaned out, what you got to do, there's a screw here and a bolt here, and then there's another bolt down here, if you look, and you see my fuel pump has two wires on it. That's in the way for this. There's another bolt right here and I can't get to it with my wrench. So you got to take this hose off, and there's two hoses here and there's a couple of clips on it. What I usually do is I take a picture of what this looks like before I take it apart, because I didn't do that when I was working on my backhoe, my bucket loader. The hoses for the backhoe was split, so I got new hoses, and I didn't take a picture and I put them on wrong and the thing didn't work right, so it took me weeks to fix that. So what I gotta do is take that clip off, this clip, there's two hoses out, take this bolt off, then I'm gonna take this cover off. And when I do that, I'm going to show you. And this is the air filter. Loosen this up, loosen that up, take this out, and you can blow off the air filter. When I get the cover off, I'll let you watch. See all this mess right here the mice make? So you got to get all that crap out of there. I had to take a small screw, besides this small screw here, I had to take that out too. I took both those hoses off for the fuel line. Now I'm going to get my air compressor and blow it out. See how that? That's a mess. And there's the exhaust, because that could start a fire. So I'll show you when I get it cleaned up. I took my hand air compressor. Very, very handy. I got that at Lowe's. And you see? I blew it all out now. It sounds like brand new. You got to keep it clean. I also blew out. This is also dirty too. I also blew this out. Air filter goes right there. So you see, all nice and clean now. Very good. Put it all back together. Now we're all set to go. Just gotta put the battery back in. I took it off to clean it up. See? Put the hoses back on. Very good. Plenty of oil, gas. Again, I'm Jeff from JT's Landscaping. Please leave some comments, give me some thumbs up. Most of these jobs, regular homeowner can do. That would probably cost $200 to $300 just to do that. It took a few minutes to take it apart, but you can do it. Just take your time. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and ask me any questions you would like, and if I know the answer, I was a school teacher. If I don't know it, I'll look it up. If I know it, I'll comment it back to you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day.